Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off all notifications on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to turn off all notifications, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your phone's settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for notifications and status bar. You just have to look for notification settings, just select it, and here you will get all the notifications app. You just have to select tab on newest and then select all apps, and here you have to enable or disable the notification settings for which you want. As I'm going to disable the album notification, you just select it and just toggle the setting, and for those apps which you want to turn off notifications. If you want to turn off all notifications, so you just have to select these all apps and disables all notification settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.